Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is MacBook Air. Let's unbox it. I bought this product from Apple India with education discount. If you don't know how to get education discount without verifying yourself on Unides, I will put a link in description. Go check it out. The packaging is decent. Unboxing of Apple products are always satisfying. Let's remove plastic protection from the box. Lift the lid upward to open this box. On the top we get MacBook Air itself. We get USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. An envelope which contains Apple stickers and user manual. We get a 30-watt charging adapter. Let's keep all these accessories in the box and keep it aside. This is MacBook Air Space Gray. The MacBook Air is so slim and light in weight. Remove the protection from it. Now open the lid. The MacBook got turned on. Remove the screen protection. Let me finish the setup. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.